Hello everyone, I Satish Kumar, lecturer in English in Surya School, Mahendragarh. Today I am going to deliver a lecture on the topic advertisement writing. In today's video, I will tell you about a category which is related to classified advertisement. The name of that category is situation wanted. Okay, look at the board. Today's topic is advertisement and the category which is related to the classified advertisement is situation wanted. In situation wanted, here it is an individual who seeks a job. In that caption, you will find that an individual who wants to find a job. In that category, you should highlight title with the word situation wanted. Some major characteristics regarding this category of classified advertisement. First is qualification and experience, age and sex. Third one is nature of the job. Fourth, salary, and last one is contact address and phone number. Okay, I have already told you about the structure of classified advertisement. First of all, you should mention word advertisement in capital with black pen. After that, you should leave two lines between word advertisement and title. Always try to write title according to the caption. Okay, and after that you should leave one line between title and content. Your content should not more than 50 words. Okay, to understand this category in a better way, there is a caption which is related to situation wanted category. You are a fresh engineering graduate and want. You should highlight main words when you will read the caption. Want a job. These words help you to understand the caption that this advertisement is for an individual who wants to a job, who wants to find a job. In a reputed company, draft a classified advertisement. Okay, according to the structure of advertisement, classified advertisement, first of all we should mention word advertisement in capital with black pen. Okay, after that we should leave two lines between word advertisement and title. Title means category. You should mention the category according to the caption. Okay, here an individual who wants to find a job, that's why we should highlight here category in the form of situation wanted. Okay, after that we should leave one line between title and content. You should start your content in this way. A young and dynamic engineer wants a suitable job in a reputed company. The candidate is first class graduate in computer engineering from DAV College. If there is no information given in the caption, then you can write any information regarding the caption according to your own way. Okay, computer engineering from DAV College of Engineering, Faridabad. Expected salary rupees 60,000 per month. I have already told you that if there are no informations given in the caption, then you can write any information according to your own way regarding the category, regarding the caption. Okay, write to Ravi. I have just told you that if no information is given in the caption, then you can write any information according to the caption. Okay, in the same way, if no address is given, then you can write address according your own way. Okay, because address is also a part of part of characteristics of classified advertisement. Okay. After that, you should mention phone number to Ravi Verma, Sector 5, Faridabad, or phone number within a week with the offered salary. Okay. First of all, we should mention qualification and experience, age and sex, nature of the job, salary, contact address and phone number. We should try to write all these relevant characteristics when you will write content of classified advertisement of situation wanted. Okay, in today's video we have discussed about an advertisement which is related to situation wanted. Okay, after that we have discussed about the characteristics of situation wanted advertisement, and at last we have discussed about the example of situation wanted advertisement. Okay, that's all for today. Thanks and have a nice day. Okay.